Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. I have another C3 Corvette restoration video for you here. Before we get started on that, a shout out to Natural Glass Corvette Association of New Jersey. Stay tuned. Okay, so if you follow the channel, you've probably seen I have two videos on Birdcage and what to look for and where to look, and they're doing really well and it's a lot of good information. If you haven't checked them out, I'm going to link them here in this video. But what I wanted to show you now is another look at the Birdcage, and primarily going to be focusing in on the bottom here. Not so much the window frame, just, you know, the kick panel there and the wheel well. So buckle up, click the notification bell, smash the thumbs up, and stay tuned. All right, folks, what we have here is a 68, and I'm going to show you, we're going to get an even better look at the Birdcage. To give you an example, this is one clean Birdcage. This is what it should look like. Absolutely, this is what it should look like. And then we go to the back. Obviously, this doesn't have any bearing on what I'm showing you here. Just I want to give you another look at the Birdcage here and what you should be seeing, where you should be looking. Truthfully, I'm taking this for as much because of how clean this Birdcage really is. Look at that. That's what your Birdcage should look like. And that green, yep, I've learned, that's normal. This is a 68. And there you have it. Again, click that thumbs up notification bell. This is Corvette Dan. Until the next one, thank you very much.